Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking onto this video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY phone case for you guys. So stay tuned to watch the entire video to see how I make this case into this case. Now to do this DIY project, you're basically going to need is of course some duct tape, scissors, and of course a phone case. Basically, you just have to cut off a piece of tape and just place it onto the case. So far this is how it looks like. And I'm just going to add in some more pieces onto the case, just like that. And I'm just going to continue off adding more pieces of tape onto the case. And here is the finished look. Honestly, this came out super cute and I am in love with it, to be honest with you. I love this case. I love how it came out. So nice, to be honest with you. So glittery, so pink. Wow, I am very impressed with the way it came out. And it only cost me, I would say, less than $5 to do this DIY. And there you have it you guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will be seeing you guys very soon. Take care guys, stay safe, bye.